Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a career pivot plan using LinkedIn job data signals, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your current career path and the industry you wish to pivot to. Access your LinkedIn account and navigate to the jobs section. Utilize the search bar to enter keywords related to your desired job role. Refine your search by location, experience level, and industry to get more relevant results. Examine the job listings that appear and pay attention to the skills and qualifications frequently mentioned. Create a list of these commonly required skills and qualifications to help clarify the gaps you need to fill. Next, leverage LinkedIn's skills section to assess your current skill set. Compare your skills against the list you created and identify specific areas for improvement. Consider taking online courses or obtaining certifications to develop these necessary skills. Explore the People Also Viewed section on job listings for insights into professionals currently in your desired role. Connect with these professionals to learn more about their job experiences and career progression. Join LinkedIn groups relevant to your target industry to expand your network and engage in discussions. Regularly monitor job postings to stay updated on shifts in demand and the evolving workforce landscape. Utilize LinkedIn's insights and analytics features to track your progress and adjust your strategy accordingly. Set clear milestones and deadlines for your career pivot goals to maintain focus and motivation. Keep your LinkedIn profile updated with new skills, certifications, and relevant experiences as you make progress. Engage with content related to your desired industry to enhance your visibility and connect with thought leaders. Continuously reflect on your journey and be open to refining your plan as the job market evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.